Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 and 2013 runtime errors. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up a web browser. It doesn't matter which one, but we're going to open up Google Chrome for today's tutorial. And I'm going to have a link to a Microsoft support page in the description of the video. So I want you guys just to copy it directly from the description of my video, like I said. So just go highlight over it, copy, and right click, copy it, add it to your clipboard, and then go up to the top of the URL address bar and paste it in. Hit enter on your keyboard to go to this web page. Scroll down, and then you want to select the correct Visual Studio version for your Windows architecture. So if you're running a 32-bit computer, you're going to run x86, and if you're running a 64-bit operating system, you're going to select the x64 one. Most of you guys are going to be downloading the 64-bit one. I'm in a virtual environment, so I'm x86. But for most of you guys, if your computer was manufactured in the last 10 years or so, there's a very good likelihood it's a x64 without even knowing anything else. But you can still check. I have videos on my channel of how to determine that. You're welcome to look that up. Otherwise, just go ahead and select the 64-bit download if that's your version. Otherwise, do the 32-bit one. I'm a 32-bit computer, but like I said, there was a reason for that. Most of you guys will be x64. So once it's done downloading, go ahead and select the run option and agree to the license terms and conditions. Select install. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Shouldn't take too long to install here, guys. Just hang in there. And it should say setup successful. You must restart your computer before you can use the software. So close out of any open programs and applications and then proceed to restart the computer. And there you go, guys, should be back into Windows. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.